India's fashion and technology sectors are undergoing a rapid digital transformation. As Gen Z and millennials shift towards immersive online experiences, digital clothing, also known as virtual or NFT-based clothing, is emerging as a hot, future-forward niche. Whether for gaming avatars, social media content, or the Metaverse, digital fashion is not only redefining style but also reshaping retail, sustainability, and personalization in the fashion world. If you're an aspiring entrepreneur, creative designer, or tech-savvy innovator, launching a digital clothing business in India could put you at the forefront of this exciting revolution. This video will guide you through identifying your target audience, conducting thorough market research and analysis, designing an effective marketing and sales strategy, creating a financial plan with costing details, exploring funding and investment options, understanding company incorporation and legal requirements, knowing the essential supporting documents, and how Market Research Universe, MRU, can help you succeed. Stick around with us as Market Research Universe, MRU, will explain it all for you. This video is part of MRU Navigator for Business Planning. MRU Navigator for Business Planning is a go-to-market platform designed for startup business planning, real-time market trends, forecasts, competitor insights, business niche identification, and opportunity tracking. Through this platform, you'll get free business plan templates across various sectors, real-time market trend tracking, market size and potential analysis, and insights into trending business niches and opportunities. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for a free account today. Identifying the right customer segments is crucial for your brand's positioning. Your digital clothing business can cater to gamers and Metaverse users for avatar customizations in VR/AR environments. Fashion-forward Gen Z and millennials using digital clothing in social media posts, especially Instagram and TikTok. Influencers and content creators for unique virtual outfits to enhance online content. Digital artists and NFT enthusiasts, buyers of exclusive NFT-based fashion drops. And fashion brands for B2B partnerships offering digital extensions of their physical collections. Market research and market analysis are crucial steps in understanding the digital clothing business landscape. Let's start with an industry snapshot. India's fashion market is expected to reach $1,299.42 million by 2025. The digital fashion niche is growing globally at 27% CAGR, with India rapidly catching up through Web3 adoption and AR/VR usage. Key areas to analyze include competitor analysis, consumer behavior, technology trends, and pricing models. For competitor analysis, study players like DressX, The Fabricant, RTFKT, and local startups like Style.me. Understanding consumer behavior is also vital. Look into how Gen Z interacts with digital fashion through social media, gaming, NFTs, and more. When it comes to technology trends, investigate platforms like Unity, Blender, CLO 3D, and blockchain integration for NFTs. Lastly, evaluate different pricing models, such as subscription versus one-time sale models for virtual outfits. To carry out effective market research, you need the right tools. Here are some you can use: Google Trends, Statista, market research reports from MRU, and social media sentiment analysis on platforms like Instagram, X, and YouTube. Now, let's talk about marketing and sales strategies. Marketing channels are key to reaching your target audience. Use Instagram and TikTok for AR filters, virtual try-ons, and influencer collaborations. Engage NFT communities and Gen Z on Discord and Twitter, or X. Metaverse events are another exciting avenue. Showcase your collections in Decentraland or Roblox fashion shows. And don't forget about YouTube and Pinterest. These platforms are perfect for educating and inspiring through fashion styling and tech walkthroughs. All right, let's talk about sales channels and customer engagement. For sales channels, you can consider a few options. First, there's the direct-to-consumer website. Then you have NFT marketplaces like OpenSea, Foundation, and Wearable. Don't forget about Metaverse platforms such as Roblox and Decentraland. Additionally, partnerships can be quite effective, so think about collaborating with gaming studios and fashion brands. Now, when it comes to customer engagement, you could launch limited edition drops to create buzz. Offering personalization options like name tags and avatars can also make a big difference. And, to make things even more exciting, you can gamify purchases with rarity and unlockables. Moving on to financial planning and costing. Here's a breakdown of some key expense categories and their estimated costs in Indian rupees. For digital design software, you're looking at 50,000 to 1 lakh annually. Hiring three-dimensional designers or developers will cost you around 30,000 to 80,000 per month. Setting up blockchain or NFTs will have an initial cost of 20,000 to 50,000. Website development can range from 30,000 to 1 lakh. Marketing and branding expenses could be anywhere from 50,000 to 2 lakh per month. Legal and registration fees are estimated at 10,000 to 25,000. Lastly, cloud storage and hosting will cost you 5,000 to 10,000 per month. Now let's discuss the break-even timeline. Typically, you can expect to reach break-even in approximately 12 to 18 months, depending on the scale and revenue model of your business. Funding and investment options. You can explore the following funding channels. Bootstrapping, which is ideal for early MVP development. Angel investors, seek fashion tech investors who understand the niche. And of course, startup incubators. Apply to programs like Startup India, T-Hub, and NSARCL. Crowdfunding can be a great way to raise funds. Platforms like Kickstarter or Fuel a Dream are perfect for unique collections. For later stage funding, consider VC funding from firms like Kalari, 100x VC, or Bloom Ventures. Company incorporation and legal requirements. There are several legal structure options. Sole proprietorship, which offers a quick start and low cost. Private limited company, recommended for scalability. And LLP, which has low compliance and is ideal for creative collaborations. Essential steps. Choose a business name and register it with the MCA, which is the Ministry of Corporate Affairs. Get GST registration. Obtain DSC and DIN for company directors. Apply for PAN and TAN. And don't forget to open a business bank account. Supporting documents. You'll need identity proof and address proof of the founders, a digital signature certificate, or DSC, MOA and AOA for a private limited company, a business plan and financial projections, a GST certificate, and trademark registration, which is optional but highly recommended. At Market Research Universe, we specialize in helping digital-first entrepreneurs like you navigate new-age business landscapes. Here's how we can support your journey: in-depth market research reports on digital clothing, the metaverse, and fashion tech. Consumer insight analysis tailored to Indian Gen Z and millennials. Custom feasibility studies to validate your business idea. Competitor benchmarking reports and SWOT analysis. And financial modeling and ROI projections. Go-to-market strategy blueprints. Investor pitch decks crafted for Indian and global VCs. Ready to dress the digital world? Let MRU guide your business from concept to launch.
Every great success story begins with a vision. But what if you had a roadmap to turn that vision into reality? Introducing MRU Navigator for Business Planning, your go-to-market platform for startup business planning, real-time startup market trends, forecasts, competitors, opportunity, and business niche tracking. Imagine this. You're standing at the starting line of your business journey. What if you already knew where the hurdles were? What if you had a strategy before you even took your first step? That's exactly what MRU Navigator for Business Planning does. It gives you a clear, data-driven roadmap to navigate the startup world with confidence. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur or a seasoned business owner, MRU Navigator gives you the power of foresight with business plan reports and templates, ready to use, professionally designed to fast-track your startup journey, real-time market trends, dashboard, stay ahead of industry shifts and make informed decisions, competitor and opportunity analysis, identify gaps, analyze competition, and uncover hidden opportunities, business niche tracking, spot emerging trends before they explode into the mainstream. Your success isn't a matter of chance, it's a matter of the right plan. Let MRU Navigator for Business Planning be the launchpad to your entrepreneurial dream. Your startup's journey begins with the right plan. Start with MRU Navigator for Business Planning for real-time market trends, opportunities, and business niche tracking. So what are you waiting for? Sign up your free account today.